You believe your doctor was careless and caused you horrible injury here in New York. And now, before you ever bring a lawsuit, you go online and start disparaging and bad-mouthing him to everybody you can think of. Can the doctor turn around and bring a lawsuit against you when you decide to bring a lawsuit against him? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you this remarkable information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and the answer is yes, he can. That's known as a counterclaim. Now, when you go online and start disparaging a doctor because you believe he violated the basic standards of medical care, causing you harm and injury, you might be slandering him, you might be libeling him by comments and things that you say online, on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on your own website. Guess what? That may be grounds for him to turn around and sue you. But before he ever decides to do that, maybe he doesn't want to do it, maybe he's trying to ignore it and hopes it all goes away. But the moment you turn around and now bring a lawsuit, assuming you have a valid basis for a case that's confirmed by a medical expert, now in response to those allegations, the doctor and his attorney are not only going to turn around and throw up common defenses that typically arise in these cases, but they're also going to go ahead and bring a counterclaim saying, hey, wait a second, I'm now going to sue you, injured patient, for libel, for slander, for ruining my reputation online, for ruining my business. And now you've got a problem. Because not only are you going forward with a case, but now at the same time, you're defending this claim by the doctor. Now you're fighting two battles at the same time. You're fighting your battle to try and get money as compensation from the doctor who was careless, and at the same time, you're fighting this libel and slander lawsuit that the doctor has now brought against you for your actions before you ever began your lawsuit. But this counterclaim issue is a big deal. The counterclaim issue can derail your entire case. And you're not going to have two separate trials. It's not going to be one trial for your malpractice case and then one trial for this libel and slander case. It's going to be one combined case. The defense will often do a great job trying to get the jury to focus on the libel and the slander and the harm that the doctor suffered because of your actions before you started your case. If you now have to deal with this other claim being brought by the doctor, known as a counterclaim, now the jury is going left and right. It's like a ping pong match. They're going back and forth, back and forth. They don't know where to focus their attention on. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what can happen here in a medical malpractice case in New York. You know, I do understand you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, again, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit but have not done so yet because you still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.